Welcome back. Today we are talking about summer storms here in Northeast Ohio, why they can be so hard on your yard, and what you can do to protect your lawn and landscaping. Why do summer storms cause yard problems in Northeast Ohio? Summer storms often dump a lot of rain in a very short window. When the ground cannot absorb all that water fast enough, you get runoff, pooling, and damage to your lawn and landscaping. The speed of the rainfall is really the problem. What causes standing water in my yard after a storm? Standing water usually comes down to a few causes: poor drainage, compacted soil, low spots in the yard, or improper grading that keeps water from flowing away the way it should. Often it is a combination of these working together. How does clay soil affect drainage during storms? Clay-heavy soil is common in our area, and it drains slowly while compacting easily. That limits how much water the ground can take in, which means more runoff and more puddling after a heavy storm. What problems can soil erosion cause in my yard? Erosion can do real damage. It exposes plant roots, harms lawn areas, leaves the ground uneven, and weakens the stability of your landscape beds and hardscape edges. Over time, small erosion problems tend to get worse if they are not addressed. Why does mulch wash away during heavy rain? Mulch tends to wash away when it is spread too thinly or placed on a slope where water moves faster. A heavy downpour can lift it right out of your planting beds and carry it across the yard. How and where it is applied makes a big difference. How can I tell if my yard has a drainage problem? There are some clear signs to watch for: standing water that lingers, puddles that drain slowly, soil that has shifted, and areas that stay wet long after the storm has passed. If you are seeing these regularly, your yard likely has a drainage issue. What role do gutters and downspouts play in yard drainage? Gutters and downspouts are there to carry water away from your home. When they get clogged or stop working properly, that water overflows and pools right near your foundation, which can lead to bigger problems than a soggy lawn. Why should I avoid working on my yard after heavy rain? Working on saturated soil can do more harm than good. It increases compaction, damages the grass, and disturbs the soil structure, which actually makes your drainage issues worse. It is usually best to wait until the ground has had time to dry out. How can I help protect my yard from storm damage? There is a lot you can do. Improve your drainage, keep proper grading so water flows away, clear out your gutters, apply mulch correctly, and keep an eye on any problem areas after each storm. Small, consistent steps go a long way toward protecting your yard. When should I consider professional help for yard issues? If you are dealing with ongoing drainage problems, repeated erosion, or spots that never seem to fully dry out, it may be time to bring in a professional. An expert can assess your property and find the root cause instead of just treating the symptoms. If storms keep leaving your yard soggy, eroded, or damaged, our team is here to help. Contact us today and let us protect your lawn and landscaping season after season.